student, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, Practical Geometry. After reading this chapter, you will be able to know about all these topics. You will be able to know how to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, so let's get started. Introduction first. Quadrilaterals are constructed by splitting up the figure into two triangles. Quadrilateral has 10 parts in all, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. To construct a quadrilateral, we need at least 5 parts which are specific out of 10. Okay, case 1. Construction of quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Okay, so this is the example. Here we have to construct a quadrilateral, okay, in which 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. Okay. So first, what will you do? You will draw a rough sketch. This is the rough sketch. Always, whenever you do construction work, always draw a rough sketch of whatever you are making. Okay. So in this question, you will draw a rough figure of quadrilateral ABCD and then write down its dimensions clearly. It is convenient to draw the diagonal BD and construct the 2 triangles, namely ABD and BCD on base BD. Okay. Now let's check out the steps of construction. Draw BD is equals to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, with B as center and BA is equals to 4.5 centimeter as radius, draw an arc on any one side of BD. 3, with D as center and DA is equals to 3 centimeter as radius, draw another arc to intersect the arc of step 2 at A. B, with B as a center and BC is equals to 4 centimeter as radius, draw an arc so that this arc and A are on the opposite side of BD. Number 5, with T as a center and DC is equals to 6.5 centimeter as a radius, draw another arc to intersect the arc in step 4 at C. 6, join AB, BC, CD, AD. Hence, ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Okay. Case 2, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Okay, as in example 2. Okay. Solution, what will you do first? First, of course, we will draw a rough sketch and then we'll write the dimensions on it. Okay, this is the rough sketch. Steps of construction. Number 1, draw DC is equals to 5.2 centimeter. With D as a center and radius 6.7 centimeter, draw an arc. 3, with C as center and radius 4.2, draw another arc intersecting the arc in 2 in B. Number 4, with D as center and radius 4.7 centimeter, draw an arc. 5, with C as center and radius 5.7 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the arc in 4 in A. 6, join CB, BA and AD. Hence, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Case 3, when 3 adjacent sides and 2 included angles are given. Example is this. So first, we'll draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral like this and we'll write the dimensions on it. Steps of constructions. Number 1, draw BC is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay. Note, construction of all angles which are multiple of 15 degrees should be done with the help of compasses. Remember this. Angles which are multiples of 15 degree, like 75, 90, 105, 120. Okay. So you will construct all these angles with the help of compass. 2, construct BCD is equals to 60 degree. It is also a multiple of 15, 60 degrees. So you will construct this angle with the help of compass. Okay, and cut of CD is equals to 6 centimeter. 3, construct angle CDA is equals to 75 degree. And 75 degree is also a multiple of 15. So you will also draw this angle with the help of compass. And cut of DA is equals to 4 centimeter. Now you will join AB and ABCD is a required quadrilateral. Okay. Case 4. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Okay, example is this. First, draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral LATE and write down the dimensions on it. Okay, now steps of construction. Draw LA is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Angle 2, construct angle ELA is equals to 75 degree. 3, construct angle LAT is equals to 105 degree and cut off AT is equals to 6.5 centimeter. 4, at T, construct an angle of 120 degree which will intersect angle ELA at E. Hence, we get required quadrilateral. Case 5, some special cases. Example is, in this example, we have to draw a rhombus ABCD in which 2 diagonals AC is equals to 6 centimeter and BD is equals to 7 centimeter are given. We know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So we will draw a diagonal AC is equals to 6 centimeter and draw its perpendicular bisector, namely XOY. Now, cut of OB is equals to OD is equals to 3.5 centimeter on OX and OY respectively. Join AB, CB, AD and BD. Hence ABCD is the required rhombus. Okay. Exercise 4.1, here type 1 is given, that is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Okay student, so you will do this exercise by yourself. Next, special types of quadrilaters. For the special types of quadrilaters like square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, etc., 5 elements will not be given directly, but they will be created by help of their special characteristics. Okay, so let's check out what are the special characteristics. Number 1, square. If only one side is given, example, construct a square ABCD with a side AB is equals to 4 centimeter. Here AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to D is equals to 4 centimeter and angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. Okay, this is case 1. And B, if any one diagonal is given, example, construct a square PQRS when diagonal PR is equals to 6 centimeter. Since in square both the diagonals are of equal length and they bisect each other at a right angle. PR is equals to QS and QS will be the perpendicular bisector of PR. Join PQ, QR, RS and PS. Number 2, rectangle. If only 2 adjacent sides are given, example, construct a rectangle ABCD in which adjacent sides are 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. Here AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 3 centimeter, CD is equals to 5 centimeter, DA is equals to 3 centimeter and angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. This way 5 elements will be developed. B, if one diagonal and one side are given, example, construct a rectangle PQRS when side PQ is equals to 4 centimeter and diagonal PR is equals to 5 centimeter. Both the diagonals of rectangle are equal and they bisect each other, right, which we already know. So PR is equals to SQ is equals to 5 centimeter and PO is equals to OQ is equals to OR is equals to OS is equals to 2.5 centimeter. And see, if one diagonal and angle between 2 diagonals are given, construct a rectangle JKLM in which diagonal JL is equals to 6 centimeter and angle between 2 diagonals is 30 degree. In a rectangle, both the diagonals are equal, so JL is equals to KM is equals to 6 centimeter and they bisect each other at 30 degree. Okay, so angle, so LO is equals to JO is equals to MO is equals to KO is equals to 3 centimeter and angle JOM is 30 degree. As you can see in this picture, join JK, KL, LM and MJ. Third, parallelogram. A, when 2 adjacent sides and one including angle are given. Example, construct a parallelogram PQRS when 2 adjacent sides PQ is equals to 5 centimeter, QR is equals to 4 centimeter and angle PQR is equals to 60 degree. Here opposite sides of parallelogram equal, so PQ is equals to RS is equals to 6 centimeter. QRS is equals to PS is equals to 4 centimeter and angle PQR is equals to 60 degree will be used. B, when one diagonal and 2 adjacent sides are given. Construct a parallelogram ABCD when AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 3.5 centimeter and diagonal AC is equals to 7 centimeter. Here opposite sides are equal. So AB is equals to BCD is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to AD is equals to 3.5 centimeter. So AC is equals to 7 centimeter. See, when both the diagonals and including angle between them are given. Construct a parallelogram JKLM. 2 diagonals JL and KM are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively and angle between them is 50 degree. Since both the diagonals are bisecting each other, so JO is equals to OL 4 centimeter and MO is equals to OK 3 centimeter and then MOJ is equals to 50 degree and join JKKL LM, MJ in order. D, when one side, one diagonal and angle between them are given. Example, construct a parallelogram ABCD when side AB is equals to 5 centimeter, diagonal AC is equals to 7.5 centimeter and angle included between them is 30 degree. Here AB is equals to DC and BC is equals to AD. So, measure BC and complete the figure. Okay. Next, rhombus. A, when one side and one angle are given. construct a rhombus PQRS of side 5 cm and angle PQR is equals to 120 degree. So PQ is equals to QR is equals to RS is equals to SP is equals to 5 cm and angle PQR is 120 degree. B, when one side and angle between the side and diagonal are given. Example, construct a rhombus ABCD when side is 4 cm and angle between AB and diagonal AC is equals to 30 degree. Since all the sides of rhombus are equal, so AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to D is equals to 4 cm. First make triangle ABC with AB is equals to BC is equals to 4 cm and angle BAC is equals to 30 degree. Then complete the rhombus ABCD. Okay. C, when both the diagonals are given. Construct rhombus PQRS when diagonals PR and QS are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. In rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. PO is equals to OR is equals to 3 cm, QO is equals to OS is equals to 2 cm and angle SOR is equals to 90 degree, right? D, when one side and one diagonal are given. Construct a rhombus JKLM when side JK is equals to 4 cm and diagonal KM is equals to 7.5 cm. So these four sides are equals to 4 cm. So first make triangle JKM, then complete the rhombus, right? Number 5 is kite. A, when two unequal adjacent sides and angle between them are given. Example, construct a kite ABCD when AB is equals to 8 cm, BC is equals to 3 cm and angle ABC is equals to 120 degree. Here AB is equals to AD is equals to 8 cm. BC is equals to CD is equals to 3 cm because two pairs of adjacent side are equal. That is angle ABC is equals to angle ADC is equals to 120 degree. Okay. B, when two unequal adjacent sides and length of bisected diagonal are given. Example, construct a kite PQRS when PQ is equals to 6 cm, QR is equals to 3 cm and the bisected diagonal QS is 5 cm. Here two pairs of adjacent sides will be equal in length. So PQ is equals to PS is equals to 6 cm and QR is equals to RS is equals to 3 cm. Construct QS is equals to 5 cm and make L as its perpendicular bisector. Then construct QP is equals to SP is equals to 6 cm and QR is equals to SR is equals to 3 cm. Or you can also make QS is equals to 5 cm and construct two isosceles triangles of sides 6 cm and 3 cm on opposite side of QS as base. You know isosceles triangles whose opposite sides are equal. Okay. See, when one diagonal which is not bisected and its inclination with sides of kite are given. Construct a kite DEFG in which diagonal DF, which is not bisected, is of 8 cm and it is inclined to the sides of kite 30 degree and 40 degree on points D and F respectively. Here the angles of kite at vertices D and F are bisected by the diagonals. First make DF is equals to 8 cm and at D and F points construct angles of 30 and 40 degree respectively. Okay. Now complete triangle DEF. Now in a kite, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. So DE is equals to DG. This side is equals to this side and EF is equals to what? FG, right? Clues for construction of a square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram and kite. Okay, here are some clues given to you. Number 1, square. A, only one side is given. Use the fact that all four sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degree. Okay. And B, if one diagonal is given, use the fact that both diagonals are equal in a square. Okay. And they bisect each other at 90 degree. And in case of rectangle, A, when only two adjacent sides are given, use the fact that both the pairs of opposite sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degree. B, if one diagonal and one side are given, use the fact that in a rectangle, both the diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. So make the side and construct a triangle by taking half of the length of diagonal as length of rest of two sides of triangle and extend the diagonals and complete the rectangle. See, if length of one diagonal and its inclination with other diagonal are given, use the fact that both diagonals of rectangle are equal in length and they bisect each other. Okay. Number 3, parallelogram. A, when two adjacent sides and one including angle are given, use the fact that both the pairs of opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and one including angle is given. B, one diagonal and two adjacent sides are given. Use the fact that both the pairs of opposite sides are equal in length. This way, 5 elements of parallelogram can be obtained. C. When both the diagonals and inclination between them are given. Use the fact that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Use the angle between them and complete it. D. When one side, one diagonal and included angle are given. Use the fact that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Construct the triangle with given informations, then complete the parallelogram. Number 4, rhombus. A. When one side and one angle are given. Use the fact that all 4 sides of rhombus are equal and one angle is given, so 5 elements are developed. B. When one side and angle between the side and diagonal are given. Use the fact that all the sides of rhombus are equal. Construct base. On base, complete a triangle by using the angle with diagonal and the equal adjacent side. Then complete the rhombus. C. When both the diagonals are given. Use the fact that in rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. D. When one side and one diagonal are given. Use the fact that in rhombus, all 4 sides are equal, so 5 elements will be developed for construction. And in case of kite, A. When 2 unequal adjacent sides and angle between those two sides are given. Use the fact that in a kite, 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal, so 5 elements of construction will be obtained. B. When 2 unequal adjacent sides and length of bisected diagonal are given. Use the fact that in a kite, 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. There are 2 ways. Number 1, either make this diagonal as base and construct 2 isosceles triangles on either side of diagonal, or number 2, make diagonal and its perpendicular bisected, then complete the kite. C. When one diagonal which is not bisected and its inclinations with sides are given. Use the fact that in kite, 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Make the diagonal and by using the angles, complete a triangle, then complete the figure. Okay. So students, exercise 4.2 is here, and you will do this exercise by yourself, and also keep practicing, keep doing practice of the construction work.